Can you imagine a world where your bank doesn't communicate with you for months on end? A world where imagined experience tends to vanish into a black hole of silence and uncertainty? This is not some dystopian future we're talking about here. This is the reality for some banking customers in our present day. Picture this. It's December 21st, 2021. An NGN and USD account is opened with the promise of smooth transactions and excellent customer service. The first NGN deposit is made in January 2022, ensuring the account meets the minimum balance requirement. Yet the bank remains silent. No account officer is reaching out, the welcome message goes to junk mail, and no communication is relevant to the customer after that. By February, the customer is still in the dark about their USD account details. They reach out, ask for updates on their cards, online banking, and other services. But again, the bank offers no response. This silence continues well into April. Finally, on the 8th of August, the account officer sends the USD account number via WhatsApp. The customer, already disheartened by the lack of engagement, decides to use the account sparingly. They continue to make deposits, receive email alerts, and move on. Between June and August, the customer contacts the account officer twice for random requests, like a copy of a document used for account creation and exchange rates. But the bank continues its silent treatment. Fast forward to March 14th, 2024. The customer makes what turns out to be biggest mistake. She sends the bank account number intended for a deposit transfer to a vendor within 24 hours. The very next day, she walks into a branch, desperate for a solution. She to fill out forms for internet banking activation. However, the bank's systems are down. "It's a Friday, but once it's up, I will submit the form and have it activated, then call you," says the bank representative. But once again, there is only silence. On March 19th, the bank sends an SMS with online banking admin login name details. No temporary password, no email instruction, no call from the branch. The customer, now frustrated, reaches out to the account officer explaining the situation. The officer promises to call back, but the silence continues. In the following days, the account officer passes the customer to another banking officer who asks the customer to fill out 2 forms via WhatsApp. The customer is also a technology solution and CX consultant quickly and can see through the many issues of the bank. Her experience shows that the specific customer journey of corporate customer account opening is not effectively mapped. It highlights the need for the bank to engage with a technology solution provider that segments and automates personalized customer engagement across specific journeys. It underscores how much revenue the bank is leaving on the table or losing to the competition. In a world where banking has become increasingly digital and faceless, let us not forget the human element, because at the end of the day, banking is about people, and people need to be heard. Wait till you hear the rest of the story.